Hey RC drivers, today we're going to take a look at the FMS Chevrolet Apache 6x6. This is a 1/18 scale crawler and it's licensed by GM. This body looks absolutely fantastic. I want to do something a little bit different here since we just reviewed the Rock Hobby Cheyenne 6x6 that shares the same platform. I want to just take this out of the box and go crawling with it. We'll take a closer look at the body and the kit's features right afterwards, and then I have something else special planned for it, so don't go away. I absolutely love coming to this spot. It's gonna be a great time with the Apache. Look at this incline, perfect for the Apache. And it's going right up. This little truck's got some muscle. Of course I'm gonna get the wheels wet. It looks good in the water. I could sit here all day and drive this. One wrong move and this body could be toast. Through the grass, up the rocks, and over to a little sightseeing. You have to admit, the Apache looked really good along the riverbank. It was a lot of fun to drive, but now it's time to check out the kit a little bit closer. And like other FMS models, it comes nicely packaged in a styrofoam container. We've got the radio system, charger, a box wrench, and the battery pack. You just have to supply some AAA batteries for the radio system. And here is the truck itself. I love this body on here, a beautiful custom 6x6, and the color just pops. This is a hard plastic body, painted blue, white bumpers, white grille, clear lenses for the headlights, even the turn signals, chrome accents everywhere. Love this bed. Check out the long fender out back. And then there's even these small round taillights. Those look really cool. The only thing missing in my opinion is the tailgate doesn't fold down. On so many other FMS models and Rock Hobby models, the tailgate folds down, but that isn't the case here. They do have an interior inside, dashboard, seats, and a very large steering wheel. I did actually think about putting a driver in, but there is very little room between the steering wheel and the back seat, so maybe that's a project for another time. But look at the front end on this, really nice the way they just replicated the forward cab look on this, the luxury styling from back in this era. I like the little hinges on the hood because the hood pops open. Door handles are molded separate pieces, clear windows throughout. Great looking model. And then it's sitting on these beautiful chrome wheels with all-terrain tires. These actually worked pretty well over there on the rocks. Now let me flip it over so you can see the chassis really quick. Not gonna go into crazy detail. We've got metal frame rails, of course, extended for the 6x6 setup. Here's your front axle assembly with CV style drive shafts in the front and ball bearings, slider drive shafts in the center and the rear. So everything could just float. And it does float because these are just air shocks with springs for rebound, no oil on the inside. We're a little spoiled after the FCX 24, those being able to be filled with oil. I wish they kind of carried that shock over here. Plastic suspension links, at least we've got metal ball studs, and then the electronics are hidden away inside here. And let me see if I can pop up the hood. It's kind of tight, there we go. Inside is the steering servo. We've got the 2-in-1 control board down there, which is the speed controller receiver combo, and it even powers all the LED lights. There's the on-off switch, which actually came undone on my car. But back to the LED lights, the headlights will light up and the turn signals will light up, and you have the option to go and use the channel 4 button on the radio system to alter how the lights come on. This thing looks just amazing, whether you're putting it on the shelf or just driving it around for fun. It's a great model to have if you are a Chevrolet fan. Now it's time to go out and have a little bit more fun with it. I have a special crawling challenge in mind for this little rig. Let's have a little fun at the playground. Let's see how well it can turn around these logs. All right, go. Oh, I think I hit a mirror. Oh, and we hit that log. Slides. I wonder if I can make it up this. Oh, we got it. Look at that, right up. You didn't think I was gonna go off, did you? This narrow ridge could be a disaster if I don't stay in the center. Nailed it. Might be able to hook it up over this rock. Oh, we're getting some body roll. Oh, it's sketchy. It's doing it. It wants to. There we go to the top.